In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a logo in Kapwing. Let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll need to head over to the Kapwing website. Kapwing is a versatile tool that can help you create and edit content seamlessly, making tasks like logo design straightforward and efficient. Once you're on the Kapwing homepage, look for the Sign In option. Click on Sign In, located at the top right corner of the screen. This will prompt you to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is quick and easy. Kapwing offers the convenience of signing in using your Google account. Simply click on Sign In with Google, and you'll be directed to a familiar sign-in page where you can select your desired Google account. This seamless integration with Google not only saves time, but also keeps all your projects in one organized space. With your login completed, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look for the Generate option. This feature is absolutely crucial for the next steps of creating your logo. By clicking Generate, you access Kapwing's powerful tools designed to bring your creative ideas to life. Now let's get the creativity flowing with some AI assistance. Once in the generation interface, you'll see a prompt area where you can type in your concept for the logo. Decide on what theme or idea you want your logo to convey. For instance, I once asked AI to create a watch reseller logo, something sleek and precise. After you've crafted a solid prompt, go ahead and hit the Send button. This action kickstarts the AI process, and within moments you'll see your logo design taking shape. The AI will generate a preliminary logo based on your prompt, giving you a great base to work from. Once the AI has finished generating your design, it's time for refinement. Click on Edit in Kapwing. This crucial step enables you to customize and modify the AI-generated logo to perfectly match your vision. Here you have access to a range of editing tools within Kapwing, allowing you to tweak colors, adjust shapes, and try out different font styles. Feel free to experiment with these tools to create a logo that is unique and visually appealing. And there you have it, a professional-looking logo created with the help of Kapwing. The combination of AI support and intuitive editing tools makes Kapwing a great platform for anyone looking to create logos efficiently. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and feel confident in your ability to design a logo using Kapwing.